So it's a glorious day here at the Whitsunday Resort. This is the Big Four Whitsunday Adventure Resort rather than the Tropical Eco Resort, which is where I went to first and suddenly figured out I'd gone to the wrong place. I think you can see that the sun is literally burning down. It must be 30 degrees plus. It's already been a little bit wet this morning, so it is humid. I've got to say, looking at this place in the light, it is meticulously maintained. The cleanliness has been absolutely spot on, and the people have been so accommodating. I wish I'd actually probably spent a little bit more time here at Airlie Beach. I would have gone perhaps on perhaps a beach tour for the Whitsundays rather than just the diving, but the diving was a life-changing experience, so I'm happy I did that. This place actually is really geared up for children and families. They've got the most amazing pool. I don't want to get any of the children in, but you can see maybe just through the foliage that actually there is some water sports areas, etc. So that really sets this place apart from some of the others that I've been in. But it's off to South Mission Beach. I think it's the Tasman Holiday Park, the Big Four. That's exactly where I'm going next. It's about a 5.5 hour, 6 hour drive with a break. The van is packed, we're all ready to go, and I think we'll check back in when we're on the road. Welcome to Mission Beach. It's slightly further north than Airlie. Essentially, I didn't make that much of a video yesterday because, to be quite frank with you, the journey wasn't that interesting. Around 6 hours, pretty much wet all the way. All I saw for 6 hours was the windscreen wipers doing this, so a little bit depressing. And in fact, even last night when I got here, light was going down, and then suddenly I had torrential downpours. They lasted for hours. Now I understand it's a tropical region, but the rain seems to have followed me literally all the way. I will say this much now, although there's no rain, the wind has picked up a little bit and the heat certainly has come on, and that means that it's incredibly humid. I mean, really properly humid, to the point whereby I'm not sure I can really sweat. Things are sort of just clinging to me. That includes this top. But in the camp station this morning, camp kitchen, nice sausage bacon sandwich, ready for the day. My intention is to get to Paranella Park, which is quite famous in Queensland. I'm sure when I get there you'll see why. But I thought, before I lose the light, and you know, if I get back I haven't had the opportunity, I'll come down to the beach. And I think you can hear the wind picking up already. I mean, it's a lovely golden sand beach that stretches from where I am at South Mission Beach all the way up to Mission Beach and beyond. And here we go. As you can see, on this side, weather doesn't look too bad. If I turn around to the other side, you can see the storm clouds starting to come in. I strongly believe that what will happen is it will start to rain again. However, I didn't realise it when I booked, but this is well known for being one of the rainiest parts of Queensland. So just my luck, or whether or not it's that, or it's actually just the weather, which is normal. Now, I don't know what islands there are over here, but they look pretty cool. And there were some boats out there sailing last night. Now, you might turn around and say, well, if it's such a lovely day, how come there's no one in the water? Well, this place is well known for stingers, so jellyfish, etc. And they advise that you go in with a stinger suit. Now, I don't have one, I've got my wetsuit with me, so I could potentially go in the water a little bit later, but I don't think I really want to chance it. Down the bottom, which you can't quite see, maybe just around here, there's a net, square net, which goes out, and that's to protect people from stingers, especially young children, so they can have a bit of a swim. Well, I'm going to walk down just for a little bit longer down here, just take in the views, and then I'm going to start my journey to Paranella Park. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. It's around 45-50 minutes, so I'm going to take my time. It's only 11 o'clock, so I'll meet you en route.